Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. Today we're going to look at this smartwatch from number 1. The model number is D5 Delta 5. Here we have the watch. I also want to mention that this has a GPS, it has heart rate monitor, it has also Wi-Fi. The battery, it's a lithium polymer battery, 450 milliamps, and it's really charging fast, only 2 hours. The standby of the watch is about 4 days. It also has a barometer, and there are many languages in this watch. I think it will be some language that is also for you if you doesn't has English as a native language. Here we have the charging dock. Is slightly magnetic, so it attaches very easy to the watch, and of course it comes also with a USB cable, so you can connect it to your adapter. It also comes with an English user manual. It's not much, but it tells you the most important things. What is important the first time, before the first time you use the watch. Charge the watch at least 3 hours. If you do that, the battery will hold much longer in the future. So we take the charger aside and we take a closer look at the watch. I have already charged the watch, of course, and I already start up the watch, so we don't have to delay you with the start up. Here you can see one of the watch faces. It indicates date, time, percentage of the battery left, and also weather. You can choose from many different watch faces, and you hold down like this and you go swipe to the side, left or right. Here we have the default watch face. We will look at the other watch faces too. We hold down here. One more time. No, that was not correct. So we swipe down and we hold again here. And now you see it comes other ones. We have this one. It's elegant. Oh, there we go too far. Here you have the old style one. This looks pretty nice too. Oh, I did wrong again. So we swipe down. So, oh, that was too quick. So we have to go back. Sorry for that. This one is pretty nice too. Date, month, weekday, time, of course, both analog and digital. No, we did it, but I went too far. Here we have the next watch face. We take a look at another one. It is also possible to download other watch faces. I will come to that in a later video. That was not correct. Sorry. We must hold down and swipe to the left, and we get this watch. It says Mittwoch. That means Wednesday, 28th of May. That is not correct because today is Saturday, so I have to check the date. You can do that manually, or you can do that automatically through your network. Here we have the next one. It is a very interesting one because all the small things inside here are moving. That's incredible actually. Yeah, they are moving so slow, so I don't think you can see that on the video. So we go to the next one. It's a nice one too. It looks like an old-fashioned watch. I have never seen it before. So we take the next one. It's very interesting, and you see how the second hand goes very slowly. We take the next one. And we go to the next one. It's another one, looks pretty nice I think. We hold down and swipe to the left. Here's a good one if you like Christmas. Go to the next one. And we take the next one. That's a futuristic one. You can get both 12 and 24 hours of the watch, of course. Here you have also a pretty one. Here you can see the battery, you can see the pedometer, you can see the date, and of course the time. One thing which is good to know, if you have a black background, it doesn't eat so much battery. It is a pretty one too, I think. You have battery, you have time, you have date. So we go to the next one. Also a very nice one. And we will see if there are some more. Oh, sorry, I did wrong. So hold down and swipe to the left, but only one step this time. Here we have another one. It's a digital one. It has also the weather, seconds. Here it says actually Saturday 28. So here it's correct because today is Saturday. We go to the next one. Oh, that was too long again. Here we have it. Temperature. I think you can see the moon phase there. So we go to the next one. It is purely digital. Saturday, May 28, 2016. You can see the heart rate because it has also a heart rate monitor. We will look into that in a moment. You also can see the percentage, 60% left of the watch. Not of the watch, of course, but of the battery. Hold. Now, that was wrong again. Hold. And wrong again. It takes a little practice, this. So, now we did it correctly. Here's a nice one too. Heart rate, steps, battery, of course date and time, and the weekday. We go to see if there are more. Yes, we have another one here. It looks like something from Casio a couple of years ago. And we take this one. Also digital. You have also have pedometer, heart rate, battery percentage, month, day, weekday, temperature. Oh, I almost did wrong. So now we go to this one. It's pretty nice too. We see if we have some more. Yeah, we have, it's a lot of watch faces default in this watch. It's a very nice second hand, as you see here. It's moving and a little arrow there in top of the right corner. 3 o'clock time now, there you can see it. So we can see if there's some more. We hold down and we swipe. Here we have another one also with weather and lots of information. We go to the next one. Oh, that is a pretty one too. You see the seconds here are ticking down rather than up. That's a nice touch. We see if there's some more. Yep, we have another one here. Oh, this is nice. It looked like it has a background display on the LCD. We go and see if there are more. Yep, you have another one too here. That is a very simplicity design and it looks very nice. This one you have the sun and the moon phase. So that looks interesting too. It's a pretty one. We see if there is some more. Oh yeah, there are some more here. That is a nice one too. You have also here heart rate, pedometer, date and time. Let us see if there are some more here. Yeah, I think you saw that just when I changed before the other watch face. This is difficult to see actually, but I think you can see it better on the video. We hold down again. Oh, that was wrong again. Sorry for that. If I click too fast, you get this problem. Here's another one. And let us see if there's some more. Yeah, we have another one too. Oh, this is a funny one. Oh, there one went to 4. Here is also a funny one. And as you saw, there is another one after this one. And that looks very nice. Clean interface. And we will see if there are some more. Yep, it is. This is the last one because I saw a minus in the top right corner. So that is all the watch faces you have. So now we are going to take a closer look on the watch. As you see here to the right, you have the on-off switch. Is also a back switch. On the left side, you have the microphone. On the back side, you have here the speaker. You have here the heart rate monitor. And you have here the charging. And of course, when you connect the charger, the cradle, to your computer, you can transfer files from the watch and to the watch if you like. It says also here it's stainless steel. This is I think is leather, but it's a little stiff as you can see here because it has built-in antennas. One is of course for GPS, but it fits really nice anyway. So we will take a closer look at the watch. I will move it here, you can see it better there. If I click quickly like this, I go to the phone settings, or to the watch settings actually. Here you see you have phone. If you connect the watch via Bluetooth to your telephone, you can use this as a phone. You can speak of course through the microphone and listen through the built-in speaker. You have messages, you have contacts, you have settings. You can look at the settings here. It's clock settings, the time and date. You have sound, you have display, and display is interesting to know because here you can activate the sleep, how long the display will be on. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So that is okay. When you go back, you swipe down like this, and we go back to the display menu. You have also brightness, of course. You can have different light. Depends on how much battery you want to spend or save. We go back there again. We swipe down again. What do we have more here? We have connect, that is Bluetooth, and that is Wi-Fi, and of course you have aeroplane mode. Power saving. You also can activate open flip bright screen. That means when you have this on your wrist and you flip your wrist, the LCD will light up. But I think it doesn't work so good as I was thinking. But that's not a big problem. Here you have language input, backup and reset, device management. That is of course if you want to see messages, who have called you. You have battery here, and that is good because it says here 54% not charging, so you can keep track of that too. You have security, screen lock, unknown sources. We go back again. Here we have if you want to uninstall applications. Here you can see about the device. You can do a wireless update, and the watch will connect automatically to the #1 server. You need to be connected to your Wi-Fi network. Status, phone number, model number D5, and here you have the Android version 4.4.2, and that is KitKat, as I told you in the beginning of the video. Yeah, you have the same thing as you have in a mobile phone here. So we go back, see what we have more here. Well, there was nothing more there, so we swipe down, go to the other settings here. Here you have health, pedometer, and you have the heart rate. You have music. With this you can control your music on your phone via Bluetooth. You have alarms. You have weather. It comes in a second or two here. Yep, here you have the weather. Here you also get more weather information, and as you see, this comes from AccuWeather. You have all the weather for the next week, and that looks promising. 22 degrees Celsius, not bad at all. So that is how the weather looks. You have sound recorder. If you want to record a message, for example, maybe you're at work or you're at home and you want to remind you of something, you can do that here. Watch helper. You can download an app which is also called Watch Helper, and from this one you can do change settings and so on. I have downloaded it. I haven't got it to work yet, so I will come back to that in another video. Here we have, sorry, that is barometer. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it seems to work pretty well. So we go back again. I wanted to show you the App Store. This is the App Store that #1 D5 have. So you have some apps here you can download for free. Let me see if something, yeah, I had to click there, sorry for that. Not much to choose from. Currency, stock quotes, and something in Chinese. I don't know what that is. I will come back to that in a later video. You also can see here, if you click in the top right corner, you can see what you have downloaded. You can search and you can click about. So we come to that in another video. we go out from this watch door barometer. We have checked browser. Of course, with this one you can see you can browse on the internet. You have, for example, this one is named Google. I think you know what that is. I'm just joking with you. Of course you know. And we go to the next one here. We have calendar. I don't have to explain that. Download. File manager. It's also default here. If you click one more time, you get what you have installed. So we swipe down, go out from that. And here we have Google Play Store. Oh, I have to click more slowly, not so fast. And now we have connected to the Google Play Store. That is interesting because there are a lot of applications. Of course, not every application is good for a watch, but I hope Google Play or Google's Play Store soon will have a separate folder for smartwatches, not only Android Wear, because this is not Android Wear, it is only Android. And I forgot to mention that this watch works with both iOS and Android. Here we have voice search. That is interesting because you can use that for Google. You have, instead of typing, you can use voice search. Here you see some apps I have downloaded. CleanMaster is a good one. Mobizen is a good one too. With this you can connect to your tablet or your computer through the browser, web browser Chrome, and you can transfer files from and to the watch and do a lot of other things. You also have Battery Doctor. This is also downloaded by me. I didn't know that was built in default in the watch, but how much you have left in the battery. So I downloaded this. It's a good app actually. You can see how much you have left, how many hours it would take to charge up, and so on. We go out from this one. If you was quick, you could see I have 51% left in the watch. Floating Toucher is a very nice app. I have downloaded and I also bought it. It cost I think was $2.99. This has a lot of information. You can do a lot of things with this. You can customize. You can have different panels. In the different panels you can have different applications. Here you have battery, for example. No, I was wrong. I did wrong there. Sorry. Here we go to this one. Here we get battery, screen timeout, applications, auto sync, extend status bar, Wi-Fi hotspot, volume up and down, lock screen, and you can make shortcuts. I will let a link in the description below to this app because this one is really nice to have in the watch. I will come back to this app in a later video. Setting Search is also an app I have downloaded. Let me see, I have to click more slow. Here you can get a lot of information about the applications, about the watch, about Bluetooth, date and time, device, and so on. So this is also a helpful application. App Backup and Restore is default in the watch. I have also downloaded SwiftKey Keyboard because the built-in keyboard is very small, so it's difficult to touch the letters and the numbers. This one you can decide how big the keyboard should be. This is the second biggest. The biggest didn't fit inside here. This actually works better than the default keyboard. So I can recommend SwiftKey. Here you can see resize keyboard, you can number row, and this one is a free application. So we go out from that one, and that was all the apps you had in this watch. We go back again, go out. In the watch face mode you can swipe to the left, and here you come directly to the music application. Here you come directly to the health application, and if you was fast you can see that in the top there is 4 different icons. That means you have 4 different pages to choose from when you swipe left to right or right to left. There you could see them again. So we can go back like this. If you press and hold this a short while, it goes to another menu. Here you can change the brightness, you can change power saving on and off. You have also here silent mode. Here you have conspire screen. I don't know what that is actually. I have to check that up and come back later, maybe in another video. And you have also here power off. So that was a quick review of the number 1 D5 smartwatch. I think this must be one of the best in the market. I have other smartwatches which I also like. I have, for example, the Ordro SW16, you can see in another video. This other watch has about the same price, $110–120, but it also has built-in camera, video camera, SIM card, so you can make telephones calls with it without to have your mobile phone with you, and it also has a micro SD card slot, so you can install up to 32 GB. So I hope you like this video. If you want to come back to the channel, I will be happy, and if you are interested, you can also sign up, subscribe for the channel, and you will get an email the next time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.